Alright, I think I found a solution for my space problem with the tomatoes. Tomato. Yeah, because if it doesn't get extended, I'm not gonna have enough room. So I was thinking, hey, I have an old shelf up in the old house. So maybe I can use this here. Let's see. Like a glove. As it has to hold a lot of weight later, I'm gonna have to like fasten it in the roof and then make some support underneath also. Ta-da! Now the shelf extension is done, and I'm gonna start planting like these small ones in their own buckets. Now that I have room to put one and one and one and one. So yeah, what I'm doing right now is that you can see that there is a lot of small ones that has to get their own small pots. But I'm also topping them. Like the really small ones, I can show you this one. This one is topped. So I took away the upper part right there, you can see, and then these ones are gonna split into two and give double yield up here. We'll see. Okay, so now I have topped all of these ones. You can barely see it in the camera, sorry about that. Yeah, it's 18 topped tomatoes. So that's what I'm gonna try with this year. And now all I have left is surprises up here. These buckets. So let me tell you a little bit about these. On this line straight here is this kind of tomato. It's my sister's. But I'm really interested in like these ones. They're supposed to hang from an ampel tomatoes. And it's all of these ones. Okay, so this is the end result. This is kind of untouched. But here is the new shelf. These two shelves are the money makers, and here is also a shelf of money makers that has been in pot as many others. That's why they are so small. So each of these ones are now topped. That means they're gonna become two stems instead of just the one straight up. And I've also planted these special tomatoes. These are the yellow pear ones, and here is the ampel ones. Yeah, so all in total I got 205 different tomato plants. So let's see how many is gonna make it outside and how many I'm gonna sell. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this result today. Yeah, over and out. Thanks for showing interest.